Hey everyone, welcome back to Raminmark. I'm Ruhul Amin, a professional digital marketer and founder of Raminhub and Raminmark. If you're looking for the perfect beard trimmer that does it all, beard, mustache, nose, ear, and even body hair, then you're in the right place. Today, we're reviewing the Conair Men All-in-One Trimmer. It's a complete 16-piece grooming kit that promises precision and convenience. If you're looking for a versatile, rechargeable, and showerproof trimmer, stay tuned. We'll go over its features, test it in action, and see if it's worth your money. Let's get started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest grooming tech. Inside the box, you'll get 8 guide combs, perfect for different trimming styles. 5-position adjustable comb, great for precision trimming. 3 jawline combs, helps define sharp beard lines. 2 body grooming combs, designed for chest and body hair. 2 manscaping combs, keeps private areas trimmed safely. USB-C charging cord, universal and fast charging. Storage pouch, easy to carry for travel. The trimmer itself has a sleek black design with a rubberized grip, making it super comfortable to hold. The showerproof feature is a game changer, allowing you to trim in the shower with no mess. First impressions? It feels solid in hand with a premium rubber grip. Let's check out the real performance. Now, let's talk about performance. Showerproof and non-slip grip. One of the best things about this trimmer is that it's fully showerproof. Plus, the rubberized grip gives you full control, even when your hands are wet. Powerful lithium-ion battery. The 5-hour runtime on a single charge is impressive. Most trimmers in this price range last only 1 to 2 hours, but this one goes the extra mile. Versatile attachments. With 16 accessories, you can switch seamlessly between beard trimming, body grooming, and nose hair removal. Precision cutting. The stainless steel blades give you a smooth, close trim without irritation. Whether you're lining up your beard or tidying body hair, the results are sharp and precise. Now, let's test it out on different areas. Beard trimming. The 5-position adjustable comb lets you trim at different lengths. Jawline and mustache. The 3 jawline combs help shape the beard with precision. Nose and ear hair. The special trimmer head is gentle but effective. Body grooming. The showerproof design allows for wet and dry use, which is a huge plus. The trimming is smooth, with no pulling or irritation. The powerful motor cuts through thick hair effortlessly. Battery and charging. Battery life is super important, and the Conair trimmer doesn't disappoint. With a 5-hour runtime, you won't have to worry about frequent charging. It uses a universal USB-C cable, which is super convenient. Pros. Versatile 16-piece kit for full grooming. Showerproof and no-slip grip for easy use in wet conditions. Long 5-hour battery life with USB-C charging. Smooth and precise trimming with no irritation. Lightweight and travel-friendly. Multifunctional grooming kit, beard, nose, body, and manscaping. Cons. Not ideal for extremely thick beards. May need multiple passes. No LED display. Hard to track battery life. No travel pouch included. Some attachments might take time to switch. Overall, the pros definitely outweigh the cons. This trimmer is perfect for men who need an all-in-one grooming solution. Frequent travelers, compact and easy to pack. Men who prefer showerproof grooming tools. Those who want a rechargeable trimmer with a long battery life. So, is the Conair Men All-in-One Trimmer worth it? Absolutely. If you want a reliable grooming kit with multiple attachments, a waterproof design, and a strong battery, this is a great choice. If you're someone with a super thick beard, you might want to go for a more powerful professional-grade trimmer. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Raminmark, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.